Hello viewers, welcome back again to our channel Investing Advisors. As you know, we started new series on weekly trend analysis from start of May month. We had shared our analysis on May 12th expiry last week. If you have not watched yet, you can watch the video in the link above. This week, markets closed more or less near the same levels we had already discussed in the trend analysis video. Nifty closed at 14,700 and Bank Nifty at 32,450 levels. Now let's quickly check what we traded for May 12th expiry. A disclaimer here, we trade purely based on the analysis we carry out. And with us, it's not share something and trade something else. So we practice what we preach. Today, for the first time, we are going to introduce our account dashboard with you. And here you go. We are in portfolio. We do not have any futures positions for the May month, so it's nil. We have only option trades, so let me click all. For the first week of May 6th expiry, we had made profit of 3.9 lakhs. You can watch the video in the link above. So let's exclude these positions from our discussion. Now, coming to the second week of the month, that is May 12th expiry. We started taking the positions from 7th May. Initially, we took positions to create ratio spread strategy. But with the days passing and with addition of new positions, we converted the strategy to short strangle, as the movement on the Bank Nifty had narrowed, and it was very evident when Bank Nifty opened on Tuesday with the gap down of 400 points. However, it recovered in the late afternoon. So we needed lot many adjustments to be made to remain profitable. Hence, we closed far out of the money positions and opened new positions in near at the money options on Bank Nifty. Now, on the expiry day, that is today, 12th May, we were very well positioned with our put option trades. But call options needed changes. We were profitable in far out of the money calls, so we closed those and taken at the money positions on both call and put side, and were expecting markets to close either at 32,600 or 32,700 levels. And by then our consolidated profits had also crossed 6 lakhs and above. But towards 2:45 p.m. there was violent sell-off on Bank Nifty. From 32,650 levels, there was drop of 300 points just in matter of few minutes. And since markets was just about to close in 30 minutes, the premiums had sharply decayed. So there was no point in making adjustments. Hence we kept as it is and ended the profit with just 5.14 lakhs. Now, if we exclude 3.9 lakhs profit from the last week, we remain with the net profit of 1.23 lakh. Not bad though. We are still left with 2 more weeks for the May month. So stay tuned with us to know whether we grow the amount above 5.14 lakhs or be at the same level or erode it. Till we meet again, be healthy and stay safe at home. If you like our video, give thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe this channel as we have amazing content coming your way. Thank you.